Let's talk why you're not getting hired remotely. My name is Caroline. For the last 6 years, I've been working remotely. I have been training people on how to land jobs remotely as well, and this is globally. And at some point in my career, I found myself in a space where I'm hiring, and that meant that I was reviewing a lot of CVs at a go, and this was within the African regions. We're talking Nigeria, we're talking Kenya, Rwanda, Ghana, Cameroon, name them. Now, one of the biggest things I've realized that keeps people out of the job market is because they do not know how to communicate their value. They do not know how to position themselves for the job that they are looking for and they are asking for. A lot of people look at positioning, or when you're sending a job, you think that your experience, your previous experience is what is going to open a door for you. And to be honest, yes, at some point it is going to give the recruiter an idea of who you are and what you can do. But it is not about you have worked for A, B, and C. It is about you have worked for A, B, and C, and you have gained some skill set, you have gained something, and now you're able to solve the problem that this recruiter is bringing to the table. Now, what I'm trying to say is, when you are writing your CV, when you are applying for jobs, don't look at your job application from a point of, I will get it because I have done, or I've worked with Microsoft, or I have worked with this big company. Look at it from a point of, this company is looking to hire something, and for me to be hired in that company, I need to present myself as a problem solver. You basically have to write your CV in a language that is talking to the recruiter, in a language that is talking to the hiring manager, in a language that basically says, this is who I am, this is what I've done, but leave what I've done behind. This is what I'm willing and I'm going to do for your company. Think of it in this manner. Would you buy something you don't need in your house? Actually, we do. Women, we buy, right? But would you buy something that is not adding value to you? Would you spend so much into something that is not adding value to you? You definitely would not. That's the same thing and the same mentality I want you to have when you're looking for jobs. Employers are not just going to hire you for you to look pretty and just be in their company. They are hiring you because you're adding value to the organization, you are solving problems, and you're basically bringing something that they need. And that is now what we call positioning, right? And this even goes to one, how do your document introduce you to rooms? People meet your CV and your LinkedIn profiles before they even meet you as a person. When I read your document, what is it telling me about you? When I read your LinkedIn profile, what is it telling me about you? If you're not able to articulate yourself in a way that it is adding value to actually the person reading it, then darling, you're failing, and that's why you'll keep on sending applications, and nothing is going to come your way. Now, I've seen a lot of us writing CVs with AI, but we are prompting it so wrongly. You're getting a CV that you look at it and you're like, this is AI. Like, I have that I have created and worked on CVs for my clients, very many clients, and I'm happy to say that a good number of them have landed opportunities, because a CV is not even, it is how and what it is saying about you. It is what it is speaking about you. You find a lot of you are using ChatGPT to write CVs, but you're failing on prompting. So what you get is a very AI generic CV that is going to open nothing. No doors will be opened with that CV. Let me know if you would want to know what exactly then is supposed to be on your CV. We'll cover that. I'll show you. We'll actually create one CV together so that you see exactly what is needed to be on your document before you send any job application. Yeah, thank you for watching. Like this video if you haven't, share it with your friends who needs this, and also subscribe please. See you guys on the next one.